Today, let's take a closer look at the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 Typewriter keyboard, a retro-inspired mechanical gaming keyboard that blends vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. Designed for both gamers and typists who appreciate a unique tactile experience, this wired 108 key keyboard stands out with its eye-catching round keycaps, RGB backlighting, and a detachable wrist rest for added comfort. One of the most striking features of the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 is its typewriter-style design. The round keycaps not only give it a nostalgic charm, but also provide a distinct typing feel. The blue mechanical switches offer a satisfying clicky sound and tactile feedback, making it ideal for those who enjoy a responsive keystroke. The keyboard also boasts RGB backlighting with customizable sidelights, allowing you to personalize your setup to match your mood or gaming environment. The detachable wrist rest is a thoughtful addition, reducing strain during long typing or gaming sessions. In real-life use, the keyboard delivers a solid performance. The blue switches are excellent for typing and gaming, though they might be a bit loud for shared spaces. The build quality feels sturdy, and the retro design adds a unique flair to any desk setup. The RGB lighting is vibrant and can be adjusted through various modes, though the software for customization could be more intuitive. The wired connection ensures minimal latency, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Of course, no product is perfect. While the blue switches are great for tactile lovers, they might not suit everyone, especially those who prefer quieter or linear switches. The round keycaps, while stylish, can take some getting used to if you're accustomed to traditional flat keycaps. Additionally, the keyboard is a bit heavier than some competitors, which could be a consideration if portability is a priority. Compared to similar retro-style mechanical keyboards like the ACO 30087 or the Durgod Taurus K320, the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 holds its own with its unique design and additional features like the detachable wrist rest and side RGB lighting. It's competitively priced, making it a great option for those who want a balance of style and performance. To get the most out of this keyboard, take the time to explore the RGB lighting settings and find a mode that suits your preferences. If you're new to mechanical keyboards, give yourself a few days to adjust to the round keycaps and blue switches. And don't forget to use the wrist rest. It really does make a difference during extended use. Overall, the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a mechanical keyboard with a retro vibe, solid performance, and customizable lighting. It's especially well suited for gamers and typists who enjoy tactile feedback and don't mind a bit of noise. If you're looking to add a touch of nostalgia to your setup without sacrificing modern features, this keyboard is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and happy typing or gaming. Catch you in the next review.